Let's make a quick and healthy snack with water chestnuts that are nutritious, high in fiber, low in calories, and contains almost no fat. Most importantly, they are abundantly available in the market right now, so definitely try out this recipe. So for this recipe, first you need to clean the water chestnuts, remove the skin and thoroughly wash it in water. You can also chop the bigger ones into smaller bite-sized pieces. Now you need to heat a pan, add some ghee to it and then add in cumin seeds, followed by finely chopped green chillies, and when they start to splutter, add in the water chestnuts. Cover and cook for a few minutes and keep stirring at regular intervals. Now add turmeric powder, black pepper, black salt and salt. Add some roasted cumin powder, freshly chopped coriander leaves and red chilli flakes. Finally, finish it off with some lemon juice. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this recipe then please like, share and subscribe to our channel The Konar Cooks.